So in this video we are going to solve simultaneous equations. There are different methods to solve simultaneous equation, just like equating coefficient method, elimination method and substitution method. But in this video we are going to discuss graphical solution. We will not discuss what are simultaneous equations. So let us take an example. We have two linear equations. First one is x plus y equals 0 and second equation is 2x minus y equal 9. We have to find their solution by graphical method. So solution. So let us take first equation, that is x plus y equals 0. We have to draw the graph of this equation. So first step is we will make any variable x or y as a subject of equation. So if I take y as subject of equation, so y will be equal to minus x. X is positive here, so if we shift this to the right side, so x will be negative. So y equal minus x. Now we are going to draw the table to find the coordinates. So we can simply find the coordinates because x y equal minus x, so x y. So if we take minus 4 as a value of x, so y will be positive 4 because x is negative, y equal minus x. So if x equal minus 4, minus minus plus, and y will be 4. If we take 0, so y will also be equal to 0. So if we take the value of x as 4, the y will be minus 4. Okay, so now we have second equation, that is 2x minus y equal 9. 2x minus y equal 9. So we have to make any variable x और y as a subject of equation. इसका मतलब ये है कि हमने एक तरफ y को कर लेंगे या x को कर लेंगे, बाकी सारी वैल्यूज दूसरी तरफ कर लेंगे. So इस y को if we shift this to the right side, so y will be positive because it is negative here. So we'll write 2x as it is and then minus 9. So y will be equal to 2x minus 9. So now we will draw the table for this equation to find the coordinates. Here we have x, y. So here I consider the value of x, negative values of x, but I will not consider the negative values here. The reason is that I will explain here. So let us take the value of y 1, value of x 1. So y equal to 2x minus n, so the value of x is 1, 2 1s are 2, and then minus 9. So we have 2 minus 9, so 2 plus minus minus, so y will be equal to minus 7. Why I am not taking the negative values of x here? Because if I take negative values, so let us suppose I take minus 1, so 2 1s are 2, minus 2 minus 9 minus 11. तो हमारे पास पॉइंट्स जो है वो आएंगे, वो काफ़ी जो है वो काफ़ी बड़े होंगे, तो उनको ड्रॉ करना थोड़ा सा डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा. So now if we take x as 2, so then y equal 2x minus 9, so 2 into x की जगह 2 minus 9, so 2 2s are 4 minus 9, so we will have minus 5. Similarly, if we take the value, so if we take the value of x as 2, so the value of y will be minus 5. If I take the value of x as 4, so it will be 8 minus 9, so it will be minus 1. So if we substitute y x 4 in this equation, so y will be equal to minus 1. Now we have to draw these points on graph paper one by one. So before that we will choose a suitable scale. For graph. So I am choosing a scale of 1 centimeter equal 1 unit on x-axis on x and y, sorry, x and y एक्सिस, ठीक है। सो मैंने 1 सेंटीमीटर इक्वल 1 यूनिट जो है वो ये स्केल चूज किया है। सो नाउ वी हैव टू ड्रॉ द these coordinates on graph paper. So here we have a graph paper. First of all, we have to draw a vertical line that represents y-axis. So here we have positive y-axis and here we have negative y-axis. Similarly, so here we have x-axis, positive x-axis, and here we have negative x-axis. So the scale that we choose is 1 centimeter equal 1 unit. To solve these simultaneous equation graphically, so you should be very careful while drawing these lines. So you can check that this line is not straight and is not straight. It can cause problem that our solution will not be correct if we draw these lines not carefully. Okay, so here we have 1 2 3 4 boxes. 4 boxes are equal to 1 centimeter. You can check here. This is a centimeter scale. That 4 boxes are equal 1 centimeter. So here 4 boxes are equal 1 centimeter. 1 2 3 4. Then 1 2 3 4 will be 2. 1 2 3 4 will be 3. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4, then 5. Similarly, 1 2 3 4 minus 1. 1 2 3 4 minus 2. Then 1 2 3 4 minus 3. Similarly, we will draw the coordinates of y. Because हमारे पास we have the values of x that are less than 5, so we don't have to write more values of x. Similarly, 1 2 3 4 boxes are equal 1 centimeter. So 1 2 3 4, we have 2 3 4 and then 5. 1 2 3 4, we have minus 1, minus 2, 1 2 3 4, minus 3, minus 4, and then minus 5. Because we have negative values of x, negative values of y till minus 7, so we have to draw more coordinates, more values of y. 1 2 3 4, minus 6, 1 2 3 4, and then minus 7, then 1 2 3 4 minus 8. So now we have to draw their coordinates very carefully. So in first equation we have minus 4 and 4. The value of x is minus 4 and the value of y is positive 4. So here we have negative 4. The value of x is minus 4 here and the value of y is positive 4 here. So we have this point. So this point is minus 4 4. So then we have 0 0. This point is 0 0. Then we have 4 minus 4. 1 2 3 4. So it means that we have to move 4 values on x-axis. 1 2 3 4. Then minus 4. So here we have minus. So now we have to join these points. Okay, so now we have to draw the coordinates of second equation, that is 2x minus y equal 9. So इसके हमें coordinates draw करने. So if the value of x is 1, then the value of y is minus 7. So if the value of x is 1, then value of y is minus 7. This is the point 1 minus 7. So I will suggest you will write coordinates here, minus 4, 4, and then 4 minus 4. The coordinates of this point is 1 minus 7. Then we have 2 minus 5. This point is 2 minus 5. And then we have 4 minus 1. 4, then minus 1. This point is 4 minus 1. Now we have to join these points. So clearly you can see that these points cut at this point. These lines cut at this point, and this point is our solution, and the coordinates of this point is 3 minus 3, 3 comma minus 3. So this is the solution of our question. So solution of this question is solution x equal 3, y equal x equal 3, y equal minus 3. So now we have to verify the solution. So you can do this work in rough. So let's suppose first of all we have x plus y. First equation is x plus y equals 0. So the value of x is 3. The value of y is minus 3. So 3 minus 3 equals 0. So it is verified that this solution satisfies first equation. Let us take a look at second equation. In second equation we have 2x. It means that 2 is multiplying with x. So we have 2 into 3 minus, then minus 3. Okay. So if we solve this, 3 2s are 6, minus minus will be plus, 6 plus 3 will be equal to 9. So this is also true. So it means that our solution is true. So आपका जो भी आंसर है, जो भी coordinates हैं, you have to verify this by putting this the values of x and y in these equations. I hope this question is clear to you. If you have any question, so you can ask in comments. So if this video is helpful for you, so kindly like this video and share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Okay students, take care, goodbye and bye.